Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. We have another Amazon unboxing to do. This is coming from Minger. Check them out, YouTubers. The link is going to be down below. Really cool gift to give somebody, especially in the gaming industries, doing their Twitch thing. This is really, really cool. I've been messing around with it for a few days now, and it's time to show you guys what Minger is all about. Links will be down below. Take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. You can light up your house, your kitchen, your home theater setup, bedroom. I got it set up somewhat pretty good right now, but I might move it around a little bit more. But for right now, it's really easy to install. This is a box you get, and they got an app. You could program Alexa. I'll show you the app and stuff like that. Google Assistant. And it comes with, this is a 16-foot, I believe. It is Minger. It comes with a spool of the lights, LEDs. And really bright lights. And these clamps. I'll show you what these clamps will do. I haven't used them. I haven't found a reason to, but for you guys, if you're doing home kitchen and stuff like that, you might want to use them. But right now, for what I'm setting it up for, it's okay for tempo. Comes with an alcohol swab, where you can just clean it off the area you apply it in, and then you clamp those things onto the light. But here is the app. You just go to your iOS or Google stream, switch over. And it's called Govee Home. So that's how you type in the search menu. And you just pop that on. See this bedroom set up right here. And really cool. So you can set your timers to it. Do it yourself mode. Which make your own colors. Your subsection, circulation, whole. That's like the different lighting modes. And you can change the speed. You can, oh man, it's amazing. Definitely happy about this. Music mode, you can change it, energetic, rhythm, spectrum, rolling, color, you got the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, aqua, purple, white, and you can change it how bright you want it, how dark you want it, and then the multiple colors right there, color, scene. Now this is really cool. This is the morning you can have. And it changes, I think 15 minutes, it will go down to, or get brighter. And then sunset will get darker. Movie scene, and if you have your wife or your partner over, you can change it to dating scene. Romantic, for special occasions. Blinking, kind of like snowflakes. Candlelight is really sweet. Snowflake is pretty cool, actually. Bluetooth, really, like I said, really easy to use. Setup is simple. All you gotta do is search it, program it. I'll show you the little gadget comes with right now. Here we go. I'm gonna take a little walk. So I got that red going right in there, all the way through running. I'll shut the lights off. And there's that. And it also comes with one of these. Do it yourself. Instead, if you don't have Alexa, you can use that. You can change the colors like this way. I'll shut my lights off and show you the app, what it does. That's on and off. It's like the music and stuff like that for movies or one of those nights. Like that. Like that. So you can mount this anywhere. Comes with the adhesive. Like I said, right now I gotta clean up around here. So sorry about the mess, but I'm just seeing where I want to set up. But like I said, easy to install. Anybody can install it. But if you got older folks, you might want to give them a hand. Especially setting up the kitchen or wherever you guys are setting it up at. So that's really cool. Boom. Especially for gaming. This will be definitely sweet for doing your streams. Different colors. I'll be right back on that. Alright, here we go again. Now we got this set up. You can kind of see what it is. And then, here's the app right here. Here's a music scene. Look at that. It's like your own club. Doosh, doosh, doosh. See what I mean? That's really cool. Then you can change it to rhythm. It changes multicolors. There's the spectrum. You can also change it yellow. I like the blue. It's pretty cool. The yellow. It shows it down at the bottom. Green for St. Patty's Day. And yellow, orange. And now we just go over to rolling. Rolling down the river. And then the blue. So you can do it like underneath your bed, underneath your computer desk, your hot tub, your bathtub. Alright, now we're going to go with color mode. And you just pick the color. There's purple. Let's see if I can do this right. Red. Look at that. And that looks good with the TV, so. And then there's yellow. Pretty cool. The green. The blue. Aqua. And now we're going to do the scenes. So, easy to use. Boom. And this is a morning. Like I said, this one changes. It gets brighter. Like 15 minutes or so. But we're not going to watch the whole thing. Sunset. So the same thing is almost like the morning movie scene is going to be that white. Really cool. Netflix and chill night. And there's a dating scene right there. I don't know. Oh shoot. There goes dating. And we'll go romantic. Gets like a brighter red. Blinking. There you go. This is awesome. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, they got really good deals going on right now. You guys won't be disappointed. And they got different sizes up to like, I think 32, 16, and a 32 one. So really cool stuff. Like I said, easy to install. And snowflake. So watching a movie like a Jurassic Park, Star Wars, definitely be sweet watching it on. Look at that. Jurassic Park, you know. Boom. So definitely YouTubers, check them out. Minger on Amazon Prime. Link is going to be down below. And you guys have a great day, night. Be safe. And see you guys back soon. See ya.